Well, we're not really doing much filming in around here, but we've got Wordsworth Daffodil Garden there, right next door to Sarah Nelson's Grasmere Gingerbread. So 6 or 12 piece presentation to Grasmere Gingerbread. We're not going to get that much. But yeah, you look at it. Beautiful little thing. It's just going about 10:30 now, 11 o'clock. Yeah, 11 o'clock I think. So we'll take you inside. So come back to you in a sec. Oh, some history. There you go. It's been here since 1854. She's had a strange life, I believe, Sarah Nelson, if you go and read about her online. But yeah, so there you go. There you go. Cool inside. Grasmere Gingerbread. You can see that. So,
It smells lovely.
doesn't it? A tiny little window there.
It's a tiny little shop, I think.
Yeah, it is. So, we'll wait and get a bit more space.
Yes. Really?
I will get more to
Option with fudge.
I recommend to eat it within the 7 days. Doesn't have any additives or preservatives in it.
Okay, great. That's
So we've got magnet, boxed with fudge. Anything else? No gingerbread packet?
I can't eat it.
Thank you.
No. Lots of things in here. How sensitive you are.
And can I also have some treacle toffee, please, if that's possible? Thank you.
Hello. Hi there, you alright? Your eyes. Very good, thanks. Yeah. Not bad. 12 pieces. 1 6.
And anything else that you recommend that is like really old
Sell the rum butter that
traditional?
we make here. That's a sweet spread.
We'll have one of those as well then, please. Thank you so much.
Toffee. Yeah.
Then this is what we got from the shop.
Okay.
Yeah, we got some old school treacle toffee.
Okay, which is in here. Do you want me to open it?
You can do, yeah?
Ash. Hang on.
Is Sash having a lovely time? Do you want some old school treacle toffee, Sash? Yes, you do.
There you go. Have a look. Sorry about that. Took me ages to open that. Oh wow.
Ooh,
Okay.
lovely.
Nice little box, isn't it? Okay.
We got some old school gingerbread. I just got 2 pieces
Oh yeah.
in taste. Nice.
I can see that.
Yeah, and I got you some. I asked what what was like really traditional from there, and she gave me some rum butter.
Rum butter.
Just keep it in your cupboard. Don't let it go too cold so it crystallises.
Okay. Be like honey, really.
Yeah, there you go.
Lovely.
All good.
Lovely.
So then, where do we off now?
We're going to have a look in Wordsworth Daffodil Garden.
Okay, let's go. I love it when the bells are ringing.
What was the shop like inside?
Oh, Mark, wait until you see.
It's fab.
Yeah.
Just in case you're wondering where we were now, people taking pictures of the daffodils. So here we are, and then on each of these little steps there's a are these like people bought these? Maurice Lomas, Morecambe, Raymond Edwards. They're all different peoples, aren't they?
Debbie from the USA.
Yeah. So you buy a step, do you?
I think you do, yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah, this is just a little, I mean, it is little small. It's small, but it's just a little delightful little place, isn't it? Beautiful. Right, so we're going to carry on walking. As you can see, the weather's not amazing. It's not raining, per se, but it's given it a bit of an impression of. But yeah, coming into March next week, so the daffodils are starting to come, ready for St. David's Day. Anyway, let's carry on having a walk around, a mooch around the back end of the church there. Beautiful, beautiful.
my couch I like. I lie on my couch.
Poetry from generation. That's me what a time.
Surely put that smell out on purpose so you can...
Oh, it just smells gorgeous.
The back of the shop's gone in there, isn't it?
You want to walk right around, or yeah?
Yeah. Come on, you little...
Come on, Sash. Just sitting in a little cafe, gonna get a coffee. Right by the river. Beautiful. Someone tried to build something there. What is that?
I don't know. It looks like there's a press that goes in the middle of it. If you come back this way a bit. Let's come back here. You see, that's a big well.
Yeah, I wonder if it's the original well, do you think?
Yeah.
It's cool, that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's a car.
That's the way, isn't it?
What an amazing walk. Who lives in a house like this? Oh, no way. Oh, wow. Oh, babe.
And then the steps go up there.
And there's a little, oh my days. And this is all their land.
Yep.
Wow. They've got a brook. Look at the gate though, it's so intricate.
Yeah.
Look. Oh. I'm only mildly jealous.
And down there. Into wood for the fire back home.
Yeah. Do you know what? Those logs are like so expensive to buy. Oh, look where their summer house is, right down there. I'm just about to see it. Oh. Can you see? It's like just down there.
Oh, just, yeah.
Yeah. Sash, is Sash happy? Is Sash happy? Are you happy, Sash? Car coming, darling.
You got trees in there, aren't you? Wet through. Not vodka. So this is the famous fairy something on Grasmere. Fairy play.
Very something. Beautiful, even in the rain.
Yeah. Specialty tea maker. He's a specialty tea maker. He's got over 50 odd types, of which 13 I think he said he mixes himself.
Wow.
And he does a fruity one, which is amazing. So we'll come back tomorrow and try that one.
Fab. Where's the back?